Hey guys, it's Max Van over at SCG, and today I'm excited to announce the new drop of the all-new Shoei X15. So honestly, I've been waiting for this helmet to drop since September. Back in September, I was sent some sort of a test model, basically, just to kind of give it a run. And honestly, this helmet, best one I've ever worn. So let's dig right into this. You open up the box, of course. They send you, just like with every Shoei helmet, Pinlock shield, super nice for rain, kind of foggy mornings, things like that. And then, here's the helmet and the helmet bag. Let's dig right into this. And of course, you have the chin pad, things like that, some cleaner for just kind of extra to come in the box. So let me get this pulled open here, struggling here. Here we go. So yes, I did get an all black version. In my opinion, I think the all black looks great, glossy look, and also if I want to get it wrapped in the future by my boy REB Graphics, I can get this taken care of. So let's just dive right into this. So first of all, as you look at it, the helmet looks it's honestly looks like it's out of a MotoGP movie. You want to be Marc Marquez, buy this helmet. It's all going to work out. But the ventilation system in the front works amazing. Also looks great, looks really aggressive and sleek. That's why I love it. And then also you have the visor lock here if you want to use it. And then to click up the visor, there's a click right up in the front. That's where the lever is. Makes it really easy. See, for me, if the one on the side, I would struggle when I get onto the grid just to try and get it open. But again, the look of the helmet, it's totally GP style. Looks super, super sweet. And then you got ventilation on the top, going through the back too. And just the aerodynamics on this helmet are honestly pretty gnarly. So with this helmet, basically my review of it, since I have ridden in it before technically, the biggest difference, super quiet compared to the X14, and the field of vision is insane. The peripheral vision feels the same, from side to side, but the view that you have, just the point of view, feels 10 times larger. Shoei did a wonderful job designing this helmet. I can't wait to use it at the next round for Barber Motorsports Park and hope to see a bunch of you guys there. Thanks again, Shoei. Peace out, guys.